Hello, my dear friends. How are you? Now we are going to learn about waste management. So let's follow. In this part, we are going to learn waste management. What is waste management, children? Do you have any idea about this topic? So here in this part, there is a discussion. Okay, you can say problems try to solve. How we are solving this problem? This is such a big problem that we are facing around the world. Okay, so there is a discussion about the waste management in the class. So many students have some doubts regarding waste. So their teacher clarified their doubts. For one of the girl called Shrishtika, she sees waste things in her surrounding. So she wants some method or procedures. From this she can reduce waste. So she is asking to her teacher, is there any method that we have to follow and we can reduce our waste? So teacher is answering her questions by saying this: there are many ways to reduce waste. Reducing the waste is the first step, okay, and the most important step in waste management. Okay, so waste management is such a scheme which is initiated by our government. Initiated means started by our government to solve this such a big problem that we are facing around the world about the waste. Okay, observe this video carefully, children. There are number of waste things around us that we are facing every day in our life. Before going to the next step, we should understand what is waste. So let me explain. So what is waste? The things that we are using for our requirements. Okay, for our daily requirements, and the residue of those things is known as waste things. For example, shirts, milk or juice that we are using for our daily requirements. Milk which is packed in Tetra Pak, or juices which is packed in Tetra Pak, and shirts, that is mean clothes, which is packed in boxes. We are using milk, juice or shirts, but we are not using the Tetra Pak and the box, which is useless for us. So this is waste things. Okay, like vegetable peels, fruit peels, etc. So lot of things, lot of waste things are generated from our society. What is the meaning of generated? Generated means come out, remove. Okay, the waste is come out from our kitchen, from factories, etc. So therefore we are facing such a big problem. So our government also try to solve this problem. For this reason our government has initiated, okay, our government has started the waste management scheme, okay, to reduce waste. One of the student asking, what is waste management? So his teacher explaining them, waste management is actually the step, it is the procedure to handle our waste so our society does not get polluted. Waste management deals with both biodegradable and non-biodegradable. But first, you should understand what is biodegradable and what is non-biodegradable. Biodegradable means the waste materials which is decomposed by bacteria or other organisms. Okay. What is the meaning of decomposed? The waste materials and dead bodies, etc., they mix with the soil under the ground and become rotten by the help of organism, by the effect of organism or bacteria. They become decay, which is known as decompose. Because of this biodegradable procedure, the soil becomes rich in minerals and which is useful to grow plants or crops. Non-biodegradable means the waste which is come out from factories or chemicals which is not able to break down by the bacteria, not able to decay. For example, metals, okay, and plastics products. I have given many examples here. You have to just have a look. My dear children, there are 4 steps in waste management. They are separation of waste, waste collection and transportation. The third step is waste recycling and composting. The fourth step is waste disposal. These 4 major steps that we are going to learn one by one in order. I hope you would have understood the lesson very well.